Hi, I'm John Westney, Director of Business Operations for Centerville City Schools. Each year we receive about $4.2 million in our Permanent Improvement Fund, money that is dedicated to our buildings, repairs, renovations, ongoing maintenance, transportation, and other school facility and improvement needs. We have also been fortunate to receive grant funding to help offset the cost of projects related to school safety and the pandemic. In Centerville Schools, we have about 1.3 million square feet of space in 15 buildings, plus more than 300 acres and 1.7 million square feet of pavement. Our recent facility assessment has helped us prioritize projects, and I'd like to share some of those things that we've been working on as we get ready for the upcoming school year. An exciting project at Centerville High School is the installation of new CNC machine and opening up access to engineering and advanced manufacturing program. We're also replacing 12 rooftop HVAC units at Watts Middle School, as well as 2 boilers at Weldon Elementary. Replacing units like these, which were all more than 20 years old, is an ongoing project to help make our buildings more energy efficient. This month, work is starting on upgrades to the playground at Normandy Elementary. A new EFS at Driscoll Elementary's roof, classroom carpet replacement, concrete and paving repair, and parking lot striping are a few of the other maintenance tasks that are taking place in different locations throughout the district when school is not in session. School safety and security also continue to be a priority for the district. Using a school safety grant awarded by the Ohio Attorney General's office, we are installing a visitor identification management system in all of our schools. Visitors will be required to present their state ID as part of their sign-in process. This will allow us to cross-reference visitor IDs against the state and national security databases and help us provide a standardized visitor procedures across the district. Another grant from the Ohio Facilities Construction Commission will be used to enhance the security of our exterior entrances. We are excited about the upcoming school year and want to make sure we are providing an environment that supports effective teaching and learning. We appreciate our local taxpayers and the additional grant funding that has given us the resources to maintain facilities that continue to serve the needs of our community.